Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a mystery bag unbagging video. I've got my big bag right here next to me. We're just gonna go through it and find what kind of mystery goodies we pull out. I will try and decide what to do with that item. I try really hard not to just redonate, but if I have to, I will. So that is a category. If it's unsavable, then I will redonate the item, or I will take it to buy sell trades, either Plato's or Clothes Mentor. I will either try and sell it myself if it's a really nice item that I can see, you know, putting in my Poshmark closet, or a lot of times I will make a pile for myself to try on or other people that I know in my life. So let's get started. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out, what is this? Is by Heirloom Collectibles. It is a sweater, and it has some really beautiful floral embroidery on it. I feel like my camera's not picking it up very well. I might have to adjust my lighting, but it's really pretty. I don't know if it has, it looks like there's a couple of loose threads here and there. Again, I'm gonna have to get some better lighting to see if there's any stains in this. Looks like there might be a little bit of an armpit stain there, but I don't know. This is kind of cool looking, very grandma core, cottage core kind of. So just a nice cardigan. We'll probably look that up because I feel like that could be something that would be like a style pickup for selling online, so we'll see. Next is Adidas shirt, just a t-shirt, red and white. This is a size medium. I might actually try that on because I really think that their tops are very comfy. I wear a lot of them as like pajama tops, so that's gonna go in my try on pile. So here's a Lulu's dress. It's like a sweater dress, but like very lightweight. It's like ribbed, kind of. And it's got like bell sleeve, like a little bell sleeve. It's a size medium. That's what it looks like. So I'll probably take that to Plato's. Next item is from Express. Blazer, like a striped blazer. So this is really cute. It's gray and white. I don't know if it's picking it up quite correctly on the camera there. 100% cotton. Oh, this is from 2011, so this is an older piece, but it is really cute. I don't know if I would wear it because of the crop sleeves. I'm not really someone who likes to wear crop sleeves very much, but it is very cute. Otherwise I would try it on. I don't know. I guess I can look it up, but I'll probably end up bringing this to Clothes Mentor. From Gap. This looks like it's a black turtleneck. It definitely is going to need to be depilled. It's extra fine merino wool, 100%. So that's cool. A really nice basic black, again, turtleneck. It's not showing up great because it's black. Turtleneck. Long sleeve. So yeah, it definitely needs to get cleaned. But that might be worth, again, looking up if I can get that cleaned up. Maybe Clothes Mentor. Maybe I try it on myself. I don't know. We'll see about that one. I'm pulling out a blouse. Can't tell if there's staining on it. It looks like there might be just a tiny bit of staining here. My lighting in here is not super great, but it's gray and white. It's got some like, what is that, smocking up top. It is like a V-neck. It's got like a billowy sleeve. I don't see a tag or anything. This is really cute, actually. If I can get this clean, I might try this on myself. This is a top from Athleta, size medium. So here's what the tag looks like. I know I haven't been showing you, but there's what the tag looks like. And it's just a very simple, basic top. So I don't know if this is, oh, and the tag inside is ripped out. So what size is this? Size medium. I could try it on, or I could take it to a buy sell trade. whichever one. Next is a red dress. Oh, this is also from Lulu's. This is a size medium. Very beautiful. It's got like some lace crochet. And then it has like a little bit of a see-through there. It's got some ruffles on the bottom. This is actually really cute. Very cute. Let me try that on. That might be kind of nice. We'll see. If not, that'll go to Plato's. We've got a very funky looking jacket here. This is from Chico's, size 1. This is what the jacket looks like. It's got some like sequins going on here. And some different like patterns. I might look that one up to sell online. Oh, this is a jean jacket. This is pretty cool. This is really cool. Okay, so here's like the jean jacket, long sleeve. It's got buttons and everything. Here's what the back looks like. And this, oh, this is from Levi's. So this is Levi's size medium, 100% cotton. So that's really cool. I might try that on. It's like another dress. It is. It's got some scallop neckline, almost like a square neckline almost. Like a swing skirt bottom. It's actually really cute. Very simple. Oh, this is from Lulu's, size medium as well. And it's like a navy color. And this has got like that quarter sleeve. Otherwise, I would try that on, but I'm not sure that's quite me. I don't know, I might try it on, but likely that'll go to Plato's. Like, I usually make a pretty big try-on pile, but majority of my try-on pile usually gets dispersed elsewhere. Especially right now, I don't really need a whole lot, so I need to be picky with what I do keep. This is Paper Crane. I don't know if I've ever heard of that brand, but it's really cute. It's like an open knit, kind of Merlot burgundy kind of color sweater. It definitely, again, needs to be depilled, probably buy sell trade. Next item in here is this really cute green, like olive green top. Like it's like a short sleeve, but then it has like different layers at the bottom, so that's kind of cool. It's a size medium. I've never heard of this brand either. Green Envelope, Los Angeles. This one I might try on because this is really cute. Right, I see a tag. Oh, and it's Lulu's. There's a lot of Lulu's things in here. This is another dress. This is a size medium, and it is another red dress, a little more simple in the front, but then it's got like a cutout in the back. I may try that one on. Or I'll look that one up to see if I can resell that one. Maybe I'll look it up first. I have this skirt, plaid skirt. It's like a thicker, like almost wool material. Does it have pockets? It does not, but it's very like schoolgirl punk kind of thing. This is Steve & Barry's University Sportswear. Next, I see a lot of sequins. I'm assuming this is another dress. This is from Adriana Papel, and this is a size 4. And it's pink, and it's kind of got this drape, kind of blousey style on top, spaghetti strap. It's actually really cute as well. I may look that one up. I think these are leggings. They don't have a tag, but yeah, they're black. Champion, I think that's Champion's logo. So just black leggings. Nothing special there. I'm gonna try Plato's, but I don't think we'll take it because there's no size. Oh, American Eagle Flex size medium. It's a long sleeve. It's got a spell out on there. And I thought we saw something else like on the, oh, down here. There's a little logo-y thing. Nice red kind of tie, not tie-dye, space dye. So that'll probably go to Plato's. I moved the angle because my knees were starting to get sore, so we're gonna try this. Oh, and now my battery is about to die. Let's see how far we can get. sitting here before it does die. This is a brand I've never heard of before. Meistemer? And this looks like a quarter zip. It's extremely dirty, so this will need to get cleaned, but this looks like something like I would wear. This is 50% wool, so that's cool. We have some ombre ribbed pants. Oh, it's missing the drawstring though, so I think I'm gonna redonate those because I don't think Buy Sell Trade will pick that up. Here's a pair of shorts from Sanctuary. That's what it says on the back here. Yep, size medium. They're like a gray, just pair of shorts that kind of like button up at the side, like a roll tab, but for shorts. I see some tags. So this is Lucky Brand. These are pull-on jean short, size medium. Oh, they've got like a little drawstring thing going on there. Stretchy waist. So I might look these up. Oh, wow. Okay. Like Margaritaville. This is Tina's Creations. I can barely read this. I think it's 100% cotton. It's like a dress. So that's interesting. I might look that up. Interesting's good, right? Oh, this is Duluth. I like Duluth. Size medium, blue. I'm gonna try that on. That looks totally up my alley. Sorry, I'm trying to rush through this because my battery is blinking at me. Alright, this is J. Jill, size medium. Like a window pane print top. I might look that up. I don't know if J. Jill tops really do that great, but we'll look it up. Here's some leggings, like partially ribbed leggings. It's like a light gray color. Oh, this is Z Supply. I haven't found Z Supply in forever. I don't know if you're able to see that right there. So I'm gonna look that one up. If not, these are really nice. I may keep them, but I'm gonna look them up first. Gray ribbed, looks like a cardigan with some like ruffly edge detail. That's actually super cute. It's from Venus, size large. I don't know anything about Venus, so I may look it up, but otherwise I think Buy Sell Trade would probably take that. Like Plato's, I think. Alright, here's a pair of jeans. Straight leg, size 29.8. Trying to see if this says anything else about these jeans. I don't know. Oh, these are Banana Republic. And I'm gonna try these on because these I think are my size. So I think there's only one more item in the bag and then that's it. So I think I went through that pretty quickly, which is nice. Oh, this is new with tags. This is St. John Bay. Oh, it's a pair of capris. So I don't know, maybe Buy Sell Trade. We'll take that. We'll see. Okay, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye.